Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavors of shops RSM of SAIL Rourkela steel plant brings about substantial savings for the company. And Karamveer Award function held at Personal Department of SAIL RSP. Now the news in detail. The enterprising endeavors of Shops Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of SAIL Rourkela steel plant has helped in successful completion of a critical job of refining and machining a turbine rotor of power blowing station, a unit of captive power plant. This resulted in reduction of man-hour delays by 3 days and a substantial financial savings for the plant. Notably, there are 3 turbo blowers in PBS and CPP1. They operate at 59 kg per square centimeter steam pressure and at 485 degrees centigrade temperature with a steam flow of 60 TPH. The steam enters the turbine through 4 control valves and then passes through 14 HP and LP blades. These blades have fining arrangement very accurately placed and clearances are usually 0.5 to 0.7 mm. After running for approximately 5 years, the machine was taken for shutdown and capital repair, and rotor of turbine along with stationary guide blades of different segments and brought to RSM for refining and machining to accurate sizes. This was a very intricate and highly skilled job. The fins with a width of 0.3 mm fitted into groove of 2 mm depth with caulking wires of 1.2 mm diameter were removed by machining with use of special tools made in-house. New fins that are 80 on both the sides were fitted and machined to specified sizes as per drawing. Old fins were also removed from rear gland, front gland and balancing piston, and new fins refitted and machining was carried out. Finally, turbine rotor was dynamically balanced using lock plate designed and made in shop, and unbalance was kept within norms. These fins were never machined out in shops in past and always done manually at site. Being a first-time job, it did not have any standard procedure and required highly skilled intervention and expertise. Karamveer Award distribution function was held at Personal Conference Hall of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 31st July. Mr. Rajendra Mishra, CGM PNA, presided over the function and handed over the awards to Ms. Smruti Sri Panda, Executive Assistant, and Ms. Madhusmita Mishra, Executive Assistant, for the month of May and June 2021 respectively. Present on the occasion were Mr. T.G. Kanekar, GMPL, Projects, and other senior officers and staff of the department. The awardees were awarded for their outstanding contributions towards achieving the objectives of the organization. Ms. Smruti Sri Panda managed tasks like pass recommendation, PIN generation, work order ID generations, contractors ID generations, diary dispatch, etc. In addition to her normal responsibility of processing CLC clearances without impacting the quality or efficiency of the jobs. However, Ms. Madhusmita Mishra managed tasks like processing of CLC clearances, SD clearances, diary dispatch, recommendation of various category of passes in addition to her normal responsibility of CLC passes recommendation, PIN generation, work order ID generation, contractors ID generation without impacting the quality or efficiency of the jobs. The winners were felicitated with a certificate of appreciation and a trophy. At the outset, Mr. T.G. Kaneka, GMPL projects lauded their performance during difficult times and narrated incidences of situations when mostly whole of the office was down with COVID, how they did their best to support works departments. The program was coordinated by Ms. Subra Rajeshwari, Assistant Manager, PL Recruitment. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.